Hey guys, I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank you all so much for following along on my channel. Merry Christmas to you and a Happy New Year. I absolutely love that you like watching my videos and I hope you continue to. I have some pretty big projects coming up, pretty big updates I might say. And I hope to share that with you all during 2022 and forward. So my time have really been limited in 2021, and I don't know exactly if 2022 is looking any better in that aspect, but I will do my best to keep bringing you videos of my projects. So with that said, here are some clips, random clips of my 2021, and I hope to see you again in 2022. Bye! Here we go.
Inne mitt framför.